So for part A, we're looking for the area to the left of a z-score of -1 plus the area to the right of a z-score of 1. So since we're talking about z, this is the standard normal curve. The standard normal curve is centered at 0. So a z-score of -1 is to the left of that. If we're looking for the area to the left of z equals -1, we're looking for the area under the curve from -infinity to -1. So to type that into the calculator, first we hit the button that says second, then we hit the button that says VARS or DISTR for distribution. Out of this selection, we want to use the down arrow to highlight the number 2 and then hit enter, or just touch the number 2 out of the numbers in your keypad. So we want the area under the curve from -infinity to -1. So the area under the curve, we can't type -infinity into the calculator. We have to type in -999. So we're going from -infinity to -1, so I separate -999 and -1 with a comma. Close your parenthesis and hit enter. So this gives you the area under the curve. I'm going to write it out to 5 decimal places. So the area under the curve, 0.15865. I'm going to go ahead and take it out to 6 decimal places. So that's the area under the curve from -infinity to -1. If we want the area under the curve from +1 and we want to go to the right of +1, remember that a standard normal curve is centered at μ0. The mean is 0, so it's centered at 0. 1 is to the right of 0. And we want to the right of 1. So the area that I've shaded here is the area that we're looking for, the area to the right of 1. So if we want to be to the right of 1, we need to find the area from 1 to +infinity this time. So again, those steps in the calculator. Second, VARS, normal distribution. So we want choice number 2. And this time we're going from 1 to +infinity, so I'm going to type in a +1, comma, to separate 1 from infinity. I can't type in infinity, so I just type in 999, close parenthesis, and enter. So the area to the right of 1 is also 0.158655. Okay, so when I add these two values together, it'll give me the answer that I need. So rounded to 4 decimal places, 0.3173.